So good morning, my dear students. So today I am going to explain about the topic is Bernoulli's equation derivation. In the previous class, we had a discussion on Bernoulli's theorem. Okay. So in the Bernoulli's theorem, what is Bernoulli's theorem? Bernoulli's theorem is nothing but the sum of pressure energy, the sum of kinetic energy, the sum of potential energy is equal to constant. These three energies must be there in the Bernoulli's theorem. There are three energies: pressure energy, kinetic energy, and potential energy. So I am going to write the equation: P by rho g plus V square by 2g plus Z is equal to constant, or you can call head also the total head of total like that. Where P by rho g is called pressure energy, V square by 2g is called kinetic energy, where Z is called potential energy. I already told in the previous class how the pressure energy will be created, how the kinetic energy will be created, how the potential energy will be created. Pressure energy will be created by using external device like pump, like that. Kinetic energy is nothing but movement of the particles. Once the movement in particle in motion, there must be a chance to get the kinetic energy. And due to the height of the fluid from the bottom ground level, you can create the potential energy. So that is that is equal to total constant. So this is the Bernoulli's theorem. So now I am going to explain derive the equation of that P by rho g plus V square by 2g plus Z. So basically, in the while deriving the equation, so the basic equation for the derivation of Bernoulli's theorem is Newton's second law of motion. Newton's second law. According to Newton's second law of motion, F is equal to m into g, or F is equal to m into a. So force is equal to mass into acceleration. So here we have to what is the forces will be there while deriving the equation. So that we have to substitute here. And what is the mass, that we have to substitute here. And what is the acceleration, that we have to substitute here. What is force? In the equation, while deriving the Bernoulli's equation, there must be two forces. So what is the forces? First one is the pressure forces. Second one is the weight, due to weight of the fluid, so there must be a force. So these only two forces. And mass. What is the mass equation? While the liquid is flowing from here to here, so that mass you have to substitute here. And acceleration with respect to velocity with respect to time. So coming to here, force. There are two forces. So one is the pressure forces, and coming to here, what is pressure forces? So pressure is equal to force per area, and we need force. Force is equal to pressure into area. So that means what? P into dA. And this is the pressure P and area dA. This is the inlet pressure. And P plus dP is the outlet pressure, and dA is the outlet area. Coming to here, force. This is the equation number 1. So coming to here, force. Inlet pressure into area minus outlet pressure into area. So this is the force. Pressure is equal to force into area. Pressure is equal to force into area minus pressure is equal to force into area. Inlet pressure, outlet pressure. Inlet pressure and outlet pressure. So then inlet pressure what? P. Area dA minus outlet pressure what? P plus dP into area. Okay. So then P dA minus P into dA. So P into dA into dP into dA plus dP into dA. So then here cancel, and you can get dP dA. So this is the equation number 2. And one pressure is over, and second one is due to the weight of the component, due to the weight of the component, due to the weight of the component, weight of fluid along the direction of flow, along the direction of flow. So dW, so this is the dW. So what is W? W is nothing but specific weight of fluid. What is W? Specific weight of fluid. So how can you define specific weight? Weight by volume. So weight by volume nothing but W by V. So then W you can write as rho G by V. So rho by V write as mg. So substitute mg value here. Mg. So according to density, rho is equal to m by v, where m is equal to rho into v. So substitute m value rho g here, and you can get m is equal to rho g. So from that equation m is equal to rho v. So substitute here rho v g. So dW is equal to rho g. Sir, V is the volume of fluid. What is the volume units? Meter cube. How can you define? How can you write? You can area into length. So area units meter square, length units meter. Meter square into meter cube. So area dA and length ds. So substitute V values here, and you can get, instead of V you can write as dA ds. So dW is equal to rho g dA ds, and the angle made by here the theta. So write as here this is the theta, and cos theta you can write as cos theta. So rho g dA ds. So how can I find? I can write as cos theta. Cos theta is equal to dz by ds. Where ds cancel, and you can get rho g dA dz. So dW is equal to rho g dA dz. So this is equation number 3. Okay. Then mass. So this one mass. So mass is equal to what? M. M is equal to, again you can write as M is equal to rho into V. So rho into V. So M is equal to rho into V. So rho, again you can write as V dA ds. So this is equation number 4. And coming to last one, acceleration. So what is acceleration? So acceleration with respect to what? V dV by t. dV by dt, velocity with respect to time. So you can write as how dV by ds by dV. So ds cancel, again you can dV by dV, and you can write as v dV by ds. So distance by time, velocity. So ds by dt you can write as v. So dV by ds. So this is the acceleration equation. This is the equation number 5. So substitute equation number all 5, 4, 3, 2 in equation number 1. Okay. Substitute all the equations in equation number 1, and you can get the equation. Okay. Substitute all the equations. This is the equation number 1. So this is the equation number 1, equation number 2, and equation number 4. Substitute all equations in equation number 1. So here we go. So divide the above equation by rho d. Okay. So minus dP by dA divided by rho dA minus rho g dA dz by rho dA equal to rho dA ds by rho dA v dV by dt. So here dA cancel, rho cancel, dA cancel, rho dA cancel, and you can get minus dP by rho minus dz equal to v dv by dt into ds. Okay. Oh, so the integrate the above equation. Integrate the above equation. So then you can get dp by rho plus v squared by 2g plus dz equal to 0. So divide the equation by g. So then you can get dp by rho g plus v square by v square by 2g plus you can get dz by only dz equal to constant. So this is the Bernoulli's equation. P by rho g plus v square by 2g plus z. So after integrating the above equation, you can get p by rho g plus v square by 2g plus so z is equal to constant. So this is the Bernoulli's equation. Thank you very much.